The 20th edition of the 4-day Afxentia stage race of the Cyprus Sunshine Cup took place between February 25th to 28, 2016. 5 Olympic gold medalists and many world and European champions were amongst the field of 200 riders from 26 countries who participated in this year's Cypriot mountain bike event. The sunny February weather as well as the excellent climate and conditions were all factors in favor of participation for the athletes, many of whom are preparing for the 2016 Rio Olympics. Cyprus proved to be an excellent starting point for the difficult season ahead. Following 4 days of intense battle in the villages and surrounding mountain regions of Lefkara, Lithrodontas and Macheras, it was Fabian Giger of Switzerland and Gunrida Dale Felicia of Norway who took home the yellow jersey as leaders of the general classification. For Giger, it was his second win in Cyprus, while Dale Felicia managed to take top position in Sunshine Cup for the first time. Giger won the men's elite category with a total time of 5 hours, 37 minutes, 32 seconds, leaving Frenchman Maxime Marot in second, 1 minute, 24 seconds behind, and Marco Aurelio Fontana in third position, 1 second behind Marot. The Swiss went into the final day with a 37-second lead over Italian Luca Braidot, which proved enough at the end. In the women's elite category, Gunrida Dale Felicia had to perform an impressive comeback in day 4, as she did indeed succeed by covering a 2-minute 55-second handicap she faced by Adelaide Morath after day 3. The Norwegian took top position in the general classification with a time of 6 hours, 21 minutes, 51 seconds, which was 38 seconds faster than Morath in the end. Third position overall went to Geetha Michiels from Belgium, who finished 3 minutes 52 seconds behind Dale Felicia. In the juniors men and women categories, Dutchman Mark Baumeister and Czech Adela Safarova recorded 4 wins in 4 days to claim the top position in the general classification. Norwegian Kenneth Felicia was a champion in the Masters 1 category, with Dutchman Bart Brentjens winning the Masters 2. Andel Tyson Blur won the women's Masters 1 category. The Afxentia stage race of the Cyprus Sunshine Cup kicked off on Thursday, February 25th with a 3.9-kilometer time trial through the picturesque streets of Lefkara village. In the men's elite category, 2015 Sunshine Cup winner Florian Vogel took first position ahead of Grant Ferguson, while in the women's elite category, Elisabeth Brandau finished fastest in the day ahead of Sabine Spitz. Day 2 found the athletes returning to Lefkara for the start of a 48-kilometer point-to-point stage that took them to Macheras Forest before heading back to the village's square for the finish. Dutchman Matthew van der Poel finished in first position in the men's elite category, just 1 second ahead of Fabian Giger, while in the women's elite category, Elisabeth Brandau won 10 seconds faster than Adelaide Mora. For day 3, the tour moved to the village of Lithrodontas in the Nicosia region. The 51-kilometer stage took the riders from the town square up to Macheras Forest and back to Lithrodontas for the finish. The men's elite category concluded with an exciting sprint to the finish line, with Luca Braidot passing the line just 0.3 of a second ahead of Fabian Giger. In the women's elite category, Sabine Spitz took first place on the day, 1 minute 6 seconds ahead of Adelaide Mora. The final day of the Cyprus Sunshine Cup featured a 5.9-kilometer Olympic-style stage at the Mandra du Gambiu camping site at the Macheras Forest. In the men's elite category, Giger defended his 37-second lead over Braidot, despite finishing just 4th in the stage. Marco Aurelio Fontana took gold with Maxime Marot following in second. Gunrida Dale Felicia won the finals day's women's elite race ahead of Sabine Spitz. After the completion of the 4-day Afxentia stage race, the Cyprus Sunshine Cup will conclude on Sunday, March 6th, with the 6-kilometer stage at Voroklini village near the town of Larnaca.
Fabian Giger won in Cyprus for the second time after winning in 2013.